is done. So today we're gonna be doing a Chips and Squishy store skit. Well, Squishy Mart, Squishy store thingy. What are you gonna call it? Squishy Market, Squishy Target, Squishy Walmart. I don't know, but whatever you wanna call it. In my category, I wanna call it Chips and Squishy Market or store. So let's get into that video. Also, my hands are really dirty because I just made so many squishies. So we'll get those squishies and yeah, guys. When's the last time I went to the market? January 1st? Oh my gosh, it's March. It's the 11th, March 11th. I need to go to market. Oh. Up. So, oops, that's cleaning. Look, let's go to the market. I have like this dress. And I doesn't have the shoes on right now. So I just go put on my glasses. And let's go. Oh, we're gonna go down to the mart. So, it's a long walk to the mart today. We have to walk all the way upstairs. So long walk to the mart. How many ways are we? 1 minute. Okay. Welcome to my Squishy Mart. Okay, so, hey ma'am, do you have any specials today, ma'am? Anything? Yes, we have. There must be homemade squishies. So she said these new homemade squishies. So I guess this is supposed to be. Man, what's this? This is made by London. I can see that. This is London. It has some. It has a slit. I'm expecting this to have a slit. Chocolate chips, mint chocolate chips. Guess on it. Okay. That's surprising. But what did I need? Where's my phone? Cute dog reaction. Sorry. Okay, so what did I need? Oh yes, I did need a Cappy slip bread. A Cappy slip bread. I'm gonna take that. So I guess this is it. I mean, it's close. I mean, it's in the box. So hopefully, this works. Cappy slip bread. It looks like Cappy. It's a Cappy. It has a slit. So these are new Cappy homemade squishies. Look, this is Cappy's face. Cappy's face. And Cappy's face. These are all Cappy squishies. I'm gonna put these back before I get in trouble from the lady over there. So I guess this is just like a squishy, like slitted bread thing. It's got like drizzly stuff in the back. I'll get this. Oops. Okay, so I'll do that and then. Don't know how much it costs, but the lady will see. Yeah. I'm just gonna go over to the breakfast area, which is not that far away, so. What I needed on my phone that says I need for breakfast. This is the pancakes. I wasn't expecting it to be like this type of pancakes. I was expecting it to be license on this one. It's not slow rising, but this isn't slow rising, but it's squishy. But there's a license. So I guess this is how many stacks of pancakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stacks of pancakes. Because those I needed a waffle. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna be back. Anyway, let's see. So, there's any license on it. Not a factor. Let's just get this. And all the things I needed for breakfast. So now, I need milk. I was gonna go over there to the dairy section. Not so far away. Okay, so I found my milk. Oops. So I'm just gonna get that for that I need it. Eggs. So I got this. I think these are eggs. Not squishy. They're not squishy at all. They're not even that squishy. But I guess these are $4. So far this is $5 total. $5 total. Also, I'm just gonna grab a donut. I wanted to grab a donut in a long time. So for sweets, I just wanted a donut because I really was craving for a donut. Here they had the perfect one. So now I'm just gonna go get a panda. Have this. So I'm gonna go check out. Hello! What do you want? Here to check out. You gotta allow it to stop. What about my desk? You better this quick because hopefully you didn't get all that money though. I need all of this stuff. So you better be hoping that it's not too much money, girl. Why are you ordering so low? Customer days. Okay. So, tails to the mounts. So let's get a bed. is what? I don't care what it is. What is this? Girl, why did you get my lace? But what she did, I tried to steal from the mart. I tried to get from the mart. It's like so good. But really, why would she do this? I tried to steal this from the mart and now we buying this. So up to level next 10 hours there. I got this that is side the stuff. So I'm not noise in the background, but anyway. So there's donuts. One low. Put the show showing. So she got that. A split out. You know why I fell because you messed them up. I didn't eat those eggs and you messed it up. So, Beth, you didn't be at least who you talking to. What is this? A wobble camera? Okay. So that is wobble. It's ugly. Oh, I was going to steal these too. Everything that I like. Oh yes, how is? Oh wait, would you think a commercial great it? Because I got a great it right here, a great it. That I think this is yours because it say your name on it. Cursive, but whatever. Because like I think this is your card. Like is this your card, ma'am? Has your due date on it? No, it's your due date, but it looks like your due date and it. Cash or credit is your please. That total is $15, and I said I made her. Okay, I'll just take credit. There you go. Sorry, but it didn't work. You gotta try it again. No, they not about that life. Wow, they not about that life. They crazy. I mean, you're in the dark, like for real. I got 2 more left. The rest of them gone. They crazy. I got one of the wheelchairs still trying to get stuff together because he fell off a roof at work. And he's still crazy. He got a bottom wheelchair. Couldn't even make it. Crawled on his knees. Stared my cousin up. My cousin, his son. Still tears in his head. They crazy. So I just put like $12 in Villas Cedars to do that, but she does a lot of my money, but whatever. Give me this. Have a nice day. Bye, Bills. Bye, Bills. Bye, Bills. Yes, I hope you enjoyed that video. My hands are a little distracting. Let's see.